All right, all right, all right. What's up, traders, and good morning to everyone. Let me plug in my chargers. The chat. Hope everybody's doing good, man. Gotta talk a little bit quieter today. Lady Hotshot's in there sleeping still. So we gotta be just a little quieter. Little quieter. It's all good though, bro. Let me bring up the charts. Boom, boom, boom. All right, bro. We caught some nasty sells yesterday. That shit melted like a mug. It's just disgusting. All right, let's just do some top down. So daily is obviously in this retracement heading towards this internal range. 4 hour. The 4 hour turtle soup this high is continuing lower. What's up, Bronzy? How you doing, man? This is one point of interest. Second point of interest probably won't be until this 1 hour candle closes, and then we get this here. We kind of got to see about that though. But overall, I'm going to look for a sell today. We're in this chilling dog. Fuck yeah. Vibes we're within this 4 hour bullish PDA. So I'm gonna be a seller until we get a 15-minute market structure shift bullish, which the market structure shifting point isn't until we're way up here. I will look for sell setups unless we get a market structure shift bullish. I'm gonna be a seller. A seller this morning. See if it has a continuation down or if it begins a retracement. If it begins a retracement, we want to see it retrace and then break down. So we're just going to stay patient, let it do what we want it to do. This 1 hour sell side. Now 1 hour sell side is pretty much low hanging fruit. My design to take him out first. That's possible, bro. Very possible. Very, very possible. Because, yeah, I had already tapped into this 15-minute bearish order block, which is also a 5-minute. Retracement, continuation. Hopefully it takes out this low. Tired, though. I don't know why I'm so tired. Fucking exhausted. What's Goldilocks doing, huh? What's Goldilocks doing? Goldilocks, feet, breaking and making higher highs. This 1 hour is within this FEG area. Frame from this low up to this high. We're within optimal trade entry as well. So we want to be a buyer here on gold. I haven't even looked at news this morning yet. Let's make sure we're aware of what's going on. Oh, we got epilepsy later. 2 p.m. EST. Ooh. Gotta wait for the new 1 hour candle to open. Or 4 hours, I should say. We'll wait for the next 4 hour candle to open. and then anticipate some buys on gold. Yo, what up, Lenny? What up, man? How you doing, big dog? Gosh, damn it! I keep yawning my ass off, though. I'm fucking tired. I'm anticipating a bearish 4 hour candle. Some bears on GU unless we get like a 15-minute market structure shift bullish with a 1 hour candle close to confirm it that flips it bullish. So I'm looking for sells until buys come out to play. That makes sense. And on gold, I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer. But I'm gonna wait for the next 4 hour candle to open. Excuse me. What we'd like is for 4 hour to show us its hand. So, in other words, we want to see the 4 hour candle begin distributing after the manipulation, right? I wouldn't say that there's a manipulation just yet, but you can see that there's these relative equal highs that have been engineered to potentially manipulate above the 4 hour open, take out those highs, and then continue the distribution. And on that distribution phase, that's when we look for opportunity. So as of right now, we just sit and we wait patiently, my friends. Honestly, looks like a great place to buy gold right now. I bought gold because a bucket, which retraced into OTE, did a turtle soup. So I bought gold. Open price was 3310.11. And then 1100 pip stop. Let's see, fellas. And then we'll target a 1.5% on gold. So we'll just leave that running. We'll see what she does, bro. And we're still sellers on GU, man. Let's see what GU wants to do. While we wait for this, I'm gonna actually go and take my doggies out real quick because I know those boys need the restroom like bad. So I will be right back, my friends.
Social security number?
Sorry, I have to check.
You don't know your social?
No, I do. It's just my mom, knows the shit out of it.
Pluto. What's up, boy? Baby Pluto. I'm having a little prayer meeting. Yeah, hey, baby, can you put that back? Yeah, give me that. Yeah, thank you. All right, just pull up on me. I got like 6 women in every room, and I got 16 rooms. I promise you're gonna have a good time. All right, God bless you. Hey, you'll rub my ears.
But I already know all these folks finna pull up fake jewelry on, all that. They probably finna pull up in cars that ain't even paid for. Think they doing something. Talking about they got that shit on. I'm the one got it on. Real, man. Don't even believe all that hype. Double M on money on money. Smash. Big Pluto. Yeah. Man, oh, Lord, I'm finna get in the party now. Stupid. Real. God damn.
Taking up the mouse, we do the mouse stop. Got a wretched in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. When I floated, I gave her a dose of, she was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. Got you lighting up like lightning. I swag it up, get feisty. Can't sabotage me. I said you gon' tell the world they flawed you. Thankful for when you're naughty. You're a good girl, but you're naughty. Don't you never miss out on Pilates. I let you stunt place in Bugatti. Damn God, bitch, you with a body. Me and cheat girls, they cheat. We do numbers, stay fly. If it's getting to you, then we fast forward. Yeah, staying low like a stash house. Yeah, band out the band, dog, trap house. Yeah, made it with nothing, learned to swag out. Yeah, can't be defeated, I got mad sauce. Yeah, why would I front like it ain't my fault? Drank up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, even bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. She called me Messiah the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. It is so right, had her soaking in the ocean. Yeah. Hit it all night, we was drinking and smoking. Drinking and smoking.
I done went from GG to BB to LV. I done fuck with Kiki and Lily and Nene. I text her so proud of you when I got my beat from CC. It is no way that you can know or see the things we see. She said she can tell every time that I lie through my teeth. Plus I know you had somebody else right here in my sheets. Oh, you think you know my body? My pull up in that coupe and want no shoddy. I put rubies on my rolling out her eyes bleed. I don't own no ice cream truck, just know my eyes freeze. Man, I read her text, she said, girl, I cranked. Man, I know she ducking off with her side me. Who you know gon' hit it raw, baby, besides me?
We drank up and we smoked, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, even bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. She called me Messiah the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. It is so right, had her soaking in the ocean.
I done fuck with Kiki and Lily and Nene.
Drinking and smoking.
Jesus on the main line, tell him what
Hey,
you want.
been working all day. I'm trying to get in the party.
Party?
Yeah.
What party, bro?
Man, come on, man. Pluto gave me the chain.
Man, I'm just in here reading my Bible.
Come on, man. I've been partying.
Man, ain't nothing going on, man. We just in there. I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm glad I stole this watch out of somebody's car. Yeah, man.
These niggas.
They always doing the most. We drinking and we smoke. Oh, y'all, hold on. What's going on? Cause I just put all that together, man.
I don't know, bro. All I'm doing is getting my baby oil on my chest hairs.
Lord.
You know Pluto and Baby Pluto?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know Duval? You should.
I already know all these folks been put up fake jewelry on and all that. I'm trying to come in the party, drink and smoke like everybody else. Man.
Skip say what?
I'm trying to come in the party, drink and smoke like everybody else. Now.
Come again, say what?
It's my first and last job, man. I gotta go in. In, let me in. Cut.
Meet Asana, a work management platform that helps companies get more done and save more time. Teams can stay connected while they track updates and visualize timelines. Asana, a smarter way to work. Try it for free today at asana.com.
Drop your location, she thinks she me or something. Put on my chains, now she thinks she me or something. She keep a Glock in her bag, she thinks she me or something. VVS blocks with the cash, she thinks she me or something. Came out hustling with the bag on nose. I can't get into the gossip. Bitch can't see me in binoculars. Running a check up, I'm proud of you. Running a racks up, I'm proud of you. All bad bitch eat seafood. Took the hot box on a detour. Came back red on the bottom of my shoe. Posted the devil, she thinking she me a son. Canary yellow, she thinking she me a son. Step like a stepper, she dripping a million poochie. She think she me a son. She barely ever popping outside, but when she do, try and kill a son. My number one hitter, always moving in silence. She the truth, real one. You can ask her if she gang, she gon' tell you she rep the same thing I do. Bruh. She not my main thing, but on the weekend she loving my crew, loving my crew.
She say she got a man, I act deaf, I don't hear her. Come here, girl, stop playing, let me put it in your liver. Eat what's in my pants, babe, don't gotta go to dinner. I stole her heart, that shine, I still like sorry, I'm a sinner. Let her put my chains on, now she think she me or something. Got a special ringtone, when it beep, I know she coming. She just put her hair on, now she think she flee or something. Auto hit that G-spot, when she scream, I know she coming. I put her in LV, on my feet is LV. I think I'm a lover, boys ain't to your bitch like LVs. My bitch in the front seat, my other bitch in back seat. Nardo, who your other bitch? I'm talking about my choppy. No, I keep a bankroll, baby count my bankroll. Put it in your purse, she say it's too much, babe, it won't go. Too much, babe, it won't fold. Too much, babe, I'm gon' choke. I know I got a lot of y'all, but baby, you my favorite hoe. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not. She love me, she love me not.
Baby in this bitch like let me through here. I need millions for the new year. Send a third, I send my crew there. Know they hate how big I blew up. Got that check for real, went Audemars Piguet and bought my boo one. Think my favorite car's my blue one. Pop that shit for real, I do this. Put my heart inside my safe deposit box, cause I ain't gon' use it. I made 40 million last year and that's just off my music. I done finally got the motherfucking ball and I ain't gon' lose it. Seem like everybody snoozing while I'm steadily improving. I get money like I'm Jewish, I'm gon' be the one. She got all them braces up her arm, look like she me or something. She can do Chanel whenever she want to, like it's free or something. I've been buying Birkin bags for bitches like they 3 for 1. Excuse my French, I'm sorry, mamas. This phantom cost 500. I've been lit for 5 summers. Everyone know how I'm coming. Real exotic bags for 35. We got outside pumping. Niggas don't want war with us. I'll spend it till my last 100. Reckies on Reckies. Now she think she me or something. Dressing like she techie. Now she think she me or something. Count up cash really fast. Now she think she me or something. Keep the stendo in her bag. Now she think she me or something. Walked in with a baddie. Now she think she me or something. Gon' drop the Addy. Now she think she me or something. Bust down an Audemars. Now she think she me or something. Cop another foreign car. Now she think she me or something. Bitch don't need a stylist. She must think she me or something. Always going viral. She must think she me or something. Turn up on a bad hoe. She must think she me or something. Diamonds on her rings and a chain. Think she me or something. Posted up running with a gang. Think she me or something. Flawless free big gang. Reppin' like she me or something. What up? Wicked.
Yeah, I admit I could have been better to Tiffany. She poured out her heart to me and I was never listening. There's another girl and honestly I can't mention her name. I fucked and dipped to get her foot when she dumped me back in the day. There's certain females that I might probably forget, but not my ex cause she's the dirtiest bitch that I ever met. You just a shadow in the background. Karma is the bitch and now I laugh because you're fat now. It ain't hard to tell you doing bad now, but that ain't something that I wish for you. Next time don't hurt the person who's loving you unconditional. Yeah. There was this girl I used to wanna fuck until I fucked her. I called the torture and disappeared, I was moving stuck up. She made me wait years for this moment, who cares if I'm fucked up? I'll call you later on if I need you to suck some nut up. Always insecure about your body, tryna suck your gut up. Please stop doing that, you're sexy and you fucking know it. I uplifted myself when they put me down at my lowest. I battle demons every day but I don't fucking show it. You're fucked up just like me but you fucked up letting me notice. You're fucked up just like me but you fucked up letting me notice. Yeah, you're fucked up just like me, but you fucked up letting me notice. Don't call my phone, please. You look ugly when you crying, look the other way. I ain't no hero, shorty, I ain't come to save your day. You quick to piss me off, you quick to tick me off. I'd rather not come around, so I choose to stay away. Cause I don't know why I chased your love. You You too quick to replace my love with another's. Wouldn't be surprised if there's a couple others. I'ma take the chance to say I'm sorry if I misleaded you. I'll do fucked up shit, but only cause I got some reasons to. And I really believed in you when you said the words I needed you. So call me 3 times and I'll be available like Beetlejuice. Right now I'm in Brooklyn thinking about this chick from London. She got a brown face with long hair, she had everything I wanted. But what about the other one in Amsterdam? She too official, she don't make a scene, she not a cameraman. Here's some advice. If you're fucked up just like me, don't fuck up letting me notice. Yeah, if you fucked up just like me, don't fuck up letting me notice. No, yeah,
Out here in the Bronx, Big BX, we shooting J.I. the Prince, my boy Jigs, about to take over the art club.
J.I. here, the Pundit mix is dropping real soon, y'all stay tuned. Taking my life, taking my eyes. I don't need you switching sides on me. There was a time when you relied on me. I'd give you my shoulders, let you cry on me. Fucked around and did me grimy, but that's fine with me. I can't move petty cause I'm trying to be a better person. Can we restart so I could present you a better version of myself? I'm by myself and now I'm fucking hurting. This medication ain't helping, this shit ain't even working. I'ma waste my time if I ever try to give chances out. I can make that body move like I give dance lessons out. Take them panties off your ass, put it in and spank it out. I was trying to fix a person who wanted to let me down. Get faded so I could be unreminded. Can you please make up your mind, yeah? Cause we're running out of options. I'm feeling twisted, I can't stop, so pull me up. You know you my baby, you my little fun schmuck. I flew all the way across the globe to gas you up. I know you feel wounded, come here, let me patch you up. Yeah. I'm feeling twisted, can you please not pull me up? You know you my baby, you my little fun schmuck.
Alright, so it looks like GU has melted to the downside, showing us a little bit of distribution. We're still in the first hour though, bro. We want price to kind of show us its hand. It's also leaving behind this 1 hour FEG right here. So like what's interesting to me, or what would interest me, is if the next 1 hour candle opens and then it retraces up into something like that and then it melts off. Now, is that asking for a little much? Yes, definitely is. But we have to just wait and see. Gold, on the other hand, and a little bit of drawdown. Still technically, but I'm bullish on it. I'm looking for bullish expansions, you know what I mean? Hopefully the next 4 hour candle can be a bullish expansion. But the reason why I'm looking for bulls mainly is simply because we have 4 hour candles are the turtle souped here, closed above, and now we're breaking and making higher highs while holding higher lows. So that's 4 hour, right? Whenever we go to 1 hour, what we want to see is we want to see price retrace into PDA, which we have this fair value gap that price currently retraced into. Hopefully it doesn't close below it. But with that too, whenever we drop to the 15-minute, we have this expansion that price is retracing into, currently within OTE. And so from OTE right here, if the next 4 hour candle opens and then retraces just a little bit lower and then expands, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm hoping for. Will it happen? We don't know. We just trade the probabilities and trade what we see and anticipate, bro. But if my stop loss gets taken out here Then I'll look for re-entry opportunity, considering that it's Earl Soup, and I'll re-drag my fib down to this low, look for re-entry opportunity. We'll just see what happens though, bro. We're about negative 0.5% down on this one right now. Oh, here, inside now. Have a good day. Fuck on with him and the guy in LA. I'm a blessing man. Never let him fly away. If I do get stopped out right now, because I'm not going based off the 15 and 5 minute direction right now. I feel like that's been one of the biggest mistakes I've been making in my trading personally. Is like, while this shit's retracing, bro, I need to be selling this bitch instead of trying to buy it and hope for a reverse. You know what I mean? That's what's been wrecking me a lot. If we get wrecked right now because of that, then that's... we need to work on those things going forward. That's what we did well yesterday when we were trading GU. But in this scenario right here, not looking very, very pretty at all. See how it's respecting 15-minute PDAs to send them theirs? That sucks. So we just lost 1% right there. I get wrecked on gold so much.
With your bitch, he gon' blow your brain back there. Hey, you know you better be on your bad behavior when address me. Because bygone, we don't let them be. Nigga disrespect me, I'ma catch felony. For real, if you listen, I can get you paid, but not interested in shit you say. If it ain't about the money, nigga, don't be blowing me up, nigga. I ain't getting up. If it ain't about the money, ain't no use to you ringing my line. Stop wasting my time. If it ain't about the money, nah, I can even hear what you say. I ain't finna do shit. If it ain't about the money, bitch, you can miss me with it. Bitch, nigga, miss me with it. Turn it. I pack an 11, I pack an 11. I'm riding in the gator, my shoes are deception. I'm shine like the reverend, I shoot at the reverend. Hey, hands out the grocery store, they stuff with ladies. Hey, she try make the extras, I tell on these bitches. Hey, when it's about time to pay, I'ma bill on these bitches. What you think we in the neighborhood for? Standing at the corner store with a pocket full of dough. I be damned if a nigga wipe a hood, hoe. Learned that from UGK, back a pocket full of stone, nigga.
It just took out the previous 4-hour candles low. You close for a 101 and double down on GU. You're a savage, bro. I thought you were more confident in your Paladin trade compared to GU. You're in hella profit on GU right now, though, huh? Maybe I should start selling courses too. Nah, bro. Nah, profitable traders don't sell courses, bro. Profitable traders don't sell courses, bro. Profitable traders just trade like a motherfucker. What a crazy month for real, Rashad. That's fucking a 0.25% flip, bro. That's insane, dog. That is insane. Good shit, dog. GU is definitely melting, bro. I'm waiting for a sell setup on this bitch. I believe this is just a mean ass retracement right now. Kind of want to look for re-entry opportunity off of this low right here.
Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. I don't mind. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Trust me.
I'm gonna rescale in on gold right now. Just based on how everything's looking, bro, I truly believe that this bitch is about to fly. I just got stopped out on some manipulation shit. We'll just have to see, bro. But, like, I'm very bullish on gold right now, so we'll have to see with this bitch. Man, I'm gonna take a good week-long vacation after my GU trade. Intraday is really stressing me out. You take that fucking break, bro. You deserve it. You worked hard, man. You worked real hard. Get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Ooh. Call your friends, let's get drunk. And I anticipate that this is an intermediate term low because it turtle souped the previous candle's low, had that expansion. So if price is truly bullish, I got my stop loss below this low right here. I don't believe that price will come below this low if it's truly bullish. But if it does violate this low, then I'm done for the day. I took my 2% loss and I'll be walking away. Call your friends and let's get drunk. Call your friends and let's get drunk. It's our entry at 3301.53. And then our stop loss is 1050. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Yeah. That hound is looking in your direction too. Here he comes. Hey, your mama, baby. Hybrid's been waiting for you. They do. Indico, get out of there. I have gold on my watch list too, but I'm waiting for it to fall. I'm gonna have to wait a while. You might, bro. You might. You might have to wait a fat minute. Just kidding, bro. Yeah, shake your fuck up. Oh, fuck. Alright, Gold, let's see what you do. Let's see what you do, Goldilocks. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk. Market structure shift point for me is right here. But I need a... Oh, look, it already pretty much did. We want these 5-minute candles to close above that market structure shifting point. If when it does, I believe we're bullish as fuck. I believe the buy side of the curve begins. Get the fuck out of my kitchen, Indico. I'm gonna have to beat your ass, dude. Get out of my kitchen. No. Get out of my fucking kitchen. Bread, call your friends, let's get drunk. Call your friends, let's get drunk, Indy.
Hi, it's Meryl from
Call your friends and let's get drunk, Indy.
Rainbow on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. Your
You know what I'm
one-stop shop
saying?
for music.
My corgi and my hound have friends that like to get drunk. Bro, I hope you soon reach the levels where you don't have to rely on prop firm. When I started trading, I only had 1,000 in savings and I put it on. It's a long journey, but it's far more peaceful than prop firms. I agree, bro. I can't fucking wait till I don't have to rely on a prop firm, dude. Like, truthfully, at the end of the day, I honestly just want to pass a prop firm challenge to prove to myself that I can trade profitably. Like, I believe I know what I'm doing, but I need to prove to myself that I could trade profitably. And then, like, once I'm able to do that, I don't even think I'll rely on prop firms as much, bro. I might even do the same as you and load up $1,000 and start compounding that shit. Even $100, just throw $100 in an account and start risking 10% per trade and just compound that shit. That's what I might end up doing. But I just want to prove to myself first that I can fucking do it. Yeah, no, for sure. No, yeah, I'm fully aware of how bad prop firms actually are, bro. Prop picks up. Indico, I fucking told you, bro. Oh my god, bro. Go lay down, dude. You fucking shattered that shit. I fucking told you, bro. You're such a handful, dude. Stop fucking getting into shit, bro. Hybrid, get away from there. It's all full of glass, dog. It's fucking dark, bro. I'm cleaning up some fucking broken glass right now, y'all. Give me a sec. My bad, yo. Just cleaning up some glass.
Nature sure is full of wonders. Red Bull gives you wings.
Mark, this 250,000 right here.
Your brother's bad, Hybrid. Your brother's so bad, bro.
This Keith Curie's life. I'm gonna need $1 million and a half on this one.
Telling my corgi his brother is badder than fuck.
And you gonna guarantee coming home?
Oh, nice. We got a new 4-hour candle opening here in 4 minutes. That's nice. We like that. Had to wash the bottles real quick. Oh. Right. Let's see. Yeah, man, but I don't want to rely on prop firms either one day, bro. Because, fuck, the more capital you get, then they won't even pay you out. It's crazy. They'll take away your shit. I can't stand that. They could just take away your fucking prop account. Oh, nah, bro. Oh, nah, bro. You telling me everything I worked so damn hard for, you just snatch that shit like that? That had me fucked up. That had me fucked up. Oh, gang. Look at the price action on EU 5-minute time frame. Crazy Wicks managed to catch a short, but with improv firms, I'm only risking 0.5% on a trade. You shorted that bitch or what? During London?
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's
What
all I'm
I'm
trying
trying
to
to
do.
do.
Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me home.
Because they think I know the way. I can change your face. I'm so away.
And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But
You got a soul to say.
I just been cooking that new.
I'm about to jump in the field.
Think if I call it the great, the
The people gon' call it the truth.
I ain't really trip on the credit.
I just paid all of my dues.
I just respected the game.
No my name all in the news.
Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
Check. I don't do this shit for nothing. What's up, CED? We doing good, bruh. We doing good. How you doing, man? You doing good this morning? See, I don't do this shit for nothing. I would love to short this bitch right now. 15 pip stop. I would be a little bit more conservative, to be honest, and bring my stops up a little bit higher. So it'd be about a 20 pip stop. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Alright, I just sold GU. These are my trades that I'm in right now. Doing fine, tape reading the London session and caught the entire leg down that you saw on Euro USD. That is fucking legend. Balls of steel. Nah, you ain't wrong, bro. That's some balls of steel, dude. That's tough, bro. That's nasty, bro. Good shit. 34704. I say that after sitting on my hands for almost 2 months because I needed to come back on the drawing board. That's nice to come back to that, bro. Congrats. That's beautiful trading, bro. Straight up. Good job.
Gary Coleman, cuz. Hey, cuz, I thought you was out of there, nigga. Huh? Things are Leo. They were.
deal, cuz.
Nigga
Back at it, nigga. Hey, try this motherfucker, man. Let's roll.
Get this money, nigga.
6
We will most certainly get there, y'all. That's enough teeth. EU New York session, what do we think? Long or short? I'm not even looking at EU, but I'm short on GU until we get a 15-minute market structure shift bullish. Then I'll flip from bearish to bullish, but until then, I'm bearish on GU. If I look at EU, right? This is what I look at first. Primarily, I look at how the previous candles closed. What did they do? So you can see that they're previously respecting bearish order blocks, and they're breaking and making lower low wicks while maintaining lower high wicks. This one, I consider it a turtle soup, especially because it didn't close above it. I consider this a turtle soup to sell off. So now that this new 4-hour candle has opened, we'd anticipate an open high and then a low, right? We'd anticipate that. What is it opening high into? I'd be looking for this 1-hour PDA right here for it to sell off. And we could drop to the 15-minute for an extra one. We have this one a little bit deeper. This is a little bearish order block. And what I'd do is I'd go from this high to this low, and I'd be looking, hey, it's an optimal trade entry. So I would be bearish and I'd be a seller until we get like, because I'm basing this all off the 4-hour, until we get like a 15-minute market structure shift bullish, which to me is like right here. But I don't consider it a market structure shift unless a 1-hour candle closes above that 0.2. So it could be like another turtle soup and then sell off, but I'm a seller until, you know, otherwise. So I'm hoping that's what GU follows too. Hopefully GU follows suit, does the same shit. Check neck, chest, wrist. Excellence, two-door, preference, root on George Jefferson, that white frost and that pound cake. Oof. Wherever I go, wherever we go, we do it pronto. It's like, let's bet our bloodlines on EU shorts and manipulate the markets for our profits. Oh yeah, bro. I love that shit. It needs to turn around soon though. GME style. Hell yeah. We're all bearish. That is nice. That's very nice. Let the suicide doors up. I do suicides on the tour bus. I do suicides on the private jet. You know what that mean? I'm fly to death. I'm the shit. Quick most rappers ain't gonna press my waist up and turn up the bass till it's up in your face level. Don't get me before I get no more praise, kid. Make your bitch look like precious. Yes, sir. Playing that Kanye, bro. Don't sell me apart when I move in the lobby. GU need to chill the fuck out though. Yo, go for the campaign. Cook the color of mayonnaise. I'm drunk and high at the same time. Drinking champagne on the airplane. Spit rounds like a gun range. Pitch on the bench. Cut your the band. Ain't one change the color. Hey, home. Let down. Let money talk like
Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna jerk.
GU, you need to chill the fuck out, little hoe. Stupid bitch. What y'all think about that SMT divergence? Y'all see that shit? How GU made this lower low on the 1 hour, but EU made this higher low? What y'all think about that? I don't like that.
Just know that I know. Them streets, they fuck with me strong. And them bitches gon' fuck just because money long. You know that I know. Boy, you know that I know. You know I know what's up. What I know. Yeah, you a fuck nigga, and it ain't a secret.
Ain't a secret.
So official, they get rough for real. They know I ain't done white work. I got jungle fever. 28 on the scale. Y'all can eat the children. Get money, break bread. Gotta feed your people. Every day like Thanksgiving. Everybody eating. I put work in the hood. Let my homies grind.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, CED. I'm not convinced yet, bro. This is my market structure shifting point up here based off the 15-minute, bro. Like, it has to close above there for me to anticipate buys, bro. I don't think it's gonna buy yet. 35245. It better not go that fucking high, Rashad. It better not fucking go that high, bro. Fuck around and stop me out. Just because it just tapped into this deeper FVG right here, bro. That's a deep ass fair value gap that it's within, dude. Deep. Yeah, it does seem to be that way, man. Come on, let's respect this FEG, bro. That's hella bullishness just came in with this candle, bro. Oh my Atlanta. Holy fuck. Yeah, I want to see this 1 hour FEG be respected too, bruh. If it gets disrespected, then that's fucking disrespectful.
I wanna see my homies rich forever. I know some secrets I never tell them. I got some birds, but I never mail them. You in love with Instagram?
If this 15-minute candle closes like this within the minute, bro, oh my gosh. I have a feeling that we're about to take out this market structure shifting point for me. Yeah, it don't look good right now, but we'll definitely see what happens, bro. It's looking like shit. I'm getting wrecked this morning in these markets.
It's not good.
It never is. It's never good.
I'll not make you feel bad, but
Don't make me feel good. Love you.
With YouTube Music Premium, listen to your favorite songs ad-free.
Love you, baby girl.
Download music and podcasts to listen offline or on the go. Enjoy thousands of customized playlists and radio stations. And jam to music when your screen is off or while using other apps. There's more to discover with YouTube Music Premium. Try 1 month free.
Then I heard that you were confident in this trade.
That's my gold trade. Look at, I'm in this one right here. It's in a little bit of profit, but I'm in GU getting wrecked right now. Yeah. So we're confident in one of them. Thank you. Love you.
He has to be by me.
What are you doing, baby boy?
That's why I end up kicking you by accident.
You just baby.
Can I have some wafer?
Yeah, I was gonna pack a bowl. You want to smoke one with me? Always. Bro, you guys, somebody tell GU to stop fucking around. You're precious, boy. Look at that big ass 1 hour candle, bro. Somebody tell GU stop fucking playing, bro. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro. Somebody tell GU stop fucking playing. I get it out the mud. You've had them for 2 weeks now? Yeah. Yeah, we definitely got to pull up in that case. Yeah, what the fuck? Bro wants to go higher. I can't. Dude, I can't either. That motherfucker is just... We got 8 homies in the stream with us. 10 homies, actually. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're trying to catch some GU cells. We're getting wrecked right now, bro. He adores you. He's a little mother's boy. Hello, mama's boy. I get it out the mud. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You love your mama, bro? You love your mama? He needs to shit. He hasn't shit since yesterday morning. Indy has like 4 shits on him already. Not true. Hopefully that motherfucker just... That motherfucker need to use the restroom. All the time.
It's like gold around and then gray.
They're pretty.
He's pretty.
He's a beautiful doggy.
Oh, pretty boy. Why do I get the feeling that you need a shit?
It's like how he was seeming right now, huh? We went out this morning and Indy shitted. He didn't. And I'm like, dude, you need to go.
You're such a beautiful dog.
Ring, ring, ring. All right, baby, let's start melting. Let's start coming down. He's a beautiful doggy. All right. Look at the respect of the 79% fib level, bro. Let's respect the shit out of it and melt, bro. Put the key inside my pocket. I would love a 15-minute candle just to eat the shit out of this green one, bro. If another 15-minute candle came in and ate up that green one, oh, I'd probably nut, bro. What? I'm gonna nut all over the place if we fucking get this shit to melt. Yeah, it's gonna be an uncontrollable nut. It's gonna get everywhere. Everywhere. In your mouth, everywhere. Back it up. Let's go gold. One day you will learn. One for the plug and one for the load. I need 2. One for the bitches and one for the dog. Red got a phone for the bitches, huh, Brad? You got a phone for the bitches, huh, Brad? I think I need 2 more. Important. Chips, she don't really get a lot of this. Clap bumping on ring, ring, ring. Try bumping on ring, ring, ring. Ring, 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 and I wonder how you trade gold. I mostly trade GU, EU, NAS, SP, and time BTC to see if it works on crypto too. It's the same way, brother man. It's the same way. We don't do anything different. We literally just trade it the same way. like, as I bring this shit up, why am I buying gold, right? We look at gold, right? So I just hide all my annotations. What has gold been doing? Pay attention to the most recent candle wicks, right? And how it closed. What I trade is the 4-hour power of 3. I want to catch a 4-hour candle's distribution, right? I want to participate in that. I want to anticipate the manipulation and get in on the manipulation to ride the distribution. That's my goal whenever I'm trading these candles. So I have to look at what did the previous 4-hour candles do first. Well, firstly, you can see that they were, you know, this previous candle turtle soup, this one, and then closed up above. And then this candle broke above. So technically, it turtle souped, respected that turtle soup, and price is making higher lows and breaking and making higher high wicks, right? And then from there, next, I'm like, okay, so if it's holding higher lows, turtle souping lows, respecting them while breaking and making higher highs, that's technically bullish. Where is it bullish heading towards? What's the next draw on liquidity? Well, what I look for is I look for internal range liquidity. We just disrespected this one, came back, closed back within, whatever. But then I also look at other areas too. So once I have the next draw on liquidity, then I know where there's areas of sensitivity price could potentially reverse that. So I will be a buyer until we get like a 15-minute market structure shift bearish that turns me into a seller type shit. But whenever the 4-hour candle opens, we want to see it open and manipulate into like a 1-hour or a 15-minute premium discount array. So that's going to be like a fair value gap order block, or better for me, in my opinion, is going to be like an optimal trade entry, right? Reason why I like optimal trade entries is because I'm able to frame my stop loss and my take profits based off of the Fibonacci levels. But with that in mind, that's all we're looking for, bro, is like we're looking for price to open and manipulate into PDA. And then at that point, we're looking for an entry opportunity to catch the distribution of the 4-hour candle. And again, if we're in a 4-hour PDA that's bearish, that price can potentially sell off at, then we have to anticipate a potential 15-minute market structure shift bearish off of that area, right? But my market structure shifts, I've been getting wrecked by them because I've been just taking the candle close, but you got to wait for a higher time frame candle to close. This is all just based off of experience and strict back testing, bro, straight up. So that's all I look for, dude. And same thing with GU right now. That's why I'm a seller. I'm a seller until we get this 15-minute market structure shift bullish with the 1-hour candle close to confirm it. That's whenever I become a buyer and I flip my bias to bullish from bearish. That's all I look for, bro. That's all it is. I like to try to keep it simple, sweet, sexy. You know what I'm saying? When it's sexy, it makes me feel good.
When I pop out, I smell like a skunk. Gang banging, I be stacking like a bump. Fuck around and throw your daddy in the trunk. AR-15 got a marker like you drunk. I ain't scared of that. I put it on truck. You a bitch ass punk. In the NFL with skills in the turf, looking like it's a $50 bill. Credit still catch a field. Headshot for the kill. One rap about pickles, but I got me a deal. Mixing lean with a soda, pockets green like Yoda. I'm the fat Mexican on the sideline. Watch an idiot run the scores inside. I'm a throwing forward. The activist, I'm a ball. A hole in his face, got her looking like a donut.
And another thing that sucks, bro, is that you got to keep in mind that, like, this is my market structure shifting point, right? Price is likely about to take us out right now, but like honestly, it could literally turtle soup and then continue selling. Like that's just how price moves, bro. That's just kind of how price be moving. All right, good strategy. I like it. Absolutely, bro. It's sexy, dude. It's sexy. And it works. I believe it's truly how the markets move. You know what I mean? Because then we look for a market maker model once price, you know, opens and lows, highs, close, whatever. So like think of it this way. If we're anticipating like a bullish candle, right? A bullish 4-hour candle, we want to see that candle open, retrace, and it's going to retrace into like a 15-minute PDA. And like from this way, lower time frame was already going up, and then the new 4-hour candle opened, and then it began a retracement. Then you could take a Fibonacci and you could draw it off of that, right? And so whenever that 4-hour candle is opening, it's retracing into a Fibonacci optimal trade entry. And at that point, since this is a 15-minute, that's whenever you could drop to the 1 minute and you can look for the market maker models. You know what I mean? And once the market maker model has that market structure shift, then you start the buy side of the curve. So what we're doing is a 4-hour power of 3, and we're scaling down to a 1-minute market maker model. That's all it is, bro. It's sexy. I love it. I think this is truly how the markets move. It's just getting better and better and better at, you know, navigating through price. Like just mitigating all the mistakes. So like if we take a loss right now, where's our mistake? Why did we take a loss? What happened? You know what I mean? Well, we could say that price, you know, wanted to come for an even deeper retracement. If we wanted to, we could scale the fib like this, and we could look for, you know, a re-entry opportunity. But that might be over trading. It's kind of up to your discretion as a trader, in my opinion. But then you could even drag it up to this high. So I like to take into consideration intermediate term highs and intermediate term lows as well. Those are turtle soups, right? If a turtle soup happens and it expands the opposite direction, ideally, in realisticness, if prices in that direction, it should not disrespect that point, right? So we had this turtle soup right here. Why is it a turtle soup? Well, it took out the swing highs to the left of it, created a 3 candlewick swing high to the left, and then whenever it retraced, it created this 3 candlewick swing high to the right. So this becomes your intermediate term high, and in realisticness, that should not be validated. So you can like drag your fib point A from that intermediate term high down to the current intermediate term low right here. That's beginning the retracement, and you can see we're already in a premium price for sales, but it could retrace even deeper, and maybe we could get a better risk to reward ratio, and you could put stop losses above that intermediate term high, because again, if it's bearish, it should not violate that. But if it does violate that, then I would definitely flip my bias bullish. So you need these invalidation points to give you idea of when price is flipping, of when price is turning, and things like that, bro. You kind of have to have complete idea of what price is doing all round. This allows me to do that. You know what I mean? And if you wanted to, you could break it down from top down analysis point, right? If we go to like euro dollar and you start from the monthly time frame, what did monthlies do, right? Well, monthlies were breaking, making higher highs, closing above, and holding higher low wicks, right? So what do we anticipate for this month? Well, we anticipate this month to potentially do the same. Open, go low, retrace into what? A weekly PDA. Look at what it did. It tapped into this weekly PDA, boom. Or a daily PDA, and you can actually scale into that weekly PDA and see if there's a daily PDA within it, and you can actually see that there's this daily fair value gap within the bigger weekly fair value gap. From that point, that's where you can actually look for Fibonacci too, right? So Fibonacci, you go from this 3 candlewick swing low up to this high right here that started the retracement. You can see it came down in optimal trade entry. Hell, if you even wanted to drag your fib to this point, you could even see that it came down into a discount price. But whenever that happens, that's whenever you drop to your 1 hour time frame and you look for that market maker buy model, and that's it right here. You know what I mean? It starts the market maker buy model on this side of the curve. That's pretty much all we're doing. We just did the monthly to the daily to the 1 hour. We're literally just doing that with the 4 hour, 15 minute, 1 minute. That's all we're doing with our trades here. And that's our strategy, bro. It's sweet, sexy, simple. It's fractal. It's systematic. I don't believe there's any emotion involved whatsoever. I believe it's just getting better at identifying the certain areas of interest and certain swing points and all of that. You know what I mean? That's what I believe. So, and then as long as we just stick to this approach, bro, you know what I mean? We just keep documenting and collecting data and identifying what wins, what loses, and we just navigate through it, bro. And, you know, collecting this data, you know, may take some time, but, you know, I got all the time in the world at this point, bro. I never saw the power of 3 like that, actually. Major thing with me that I had before is that I let the loss affect the next position that I would be taking. I could understand that, bro. I could reflect on that too. You know what I mean? It's crazy because as traders, I feel like we've all walked in the same shoes at some point. I've let it affect me too. Like I've gotten scared and I've, gotten confused, and I've even, cut risk. I've done a lot. and I've learned a lot from it too. So the fact that you're doing that right now, bro, just see what works for you. You know what I mean? If you keep doing that and you don't like the outcome of that shit, like just like letting the loss affect the next position, whatever it's affecting with the next position, identify that and identify those things. Like if it's a pattern, and if you don't like that pattern and the outcome, take it out of your trading. You know what I mean? It just all comes with experience and practice, bro. Experience and practice. That's all it is, truthfully. That is all it is. Let's just do yeah, stupid winny bitch. Right? No, facts, bro. Yeah, leave it to us, bucko. The fact that this 1 hour candle is just looking like that, bro, is just ugh. That's what journaling did for me, thankfully. Absolutely, bro. While you're in trades, just journal. Write down shit. Write down what you're seeing. Write down what's fucking with you and all that, dude. Like, I write down a lot whenever I'm trading, dude. Like, I'm talking, I have notes on notes on notes that I be writing down, bro. And it's just my observations. You know what I mean? Write down your observations. Write down while you're live tape reading, write down what you see price doing. Like, write down how price actually moves. Price disrespects certain PDAs and respect certain PDAs. Like, just you just kind of want to go through and you want to observe and witness and record, bro. I promise you're just gonna continue to get better. I feel myself getting better all the time, bro. Every stream we've done, bro, like I feel myself getting better and better and better. Like I'm getting a second like nature. Is that what it's called? Like a second nature or whatever to how price moves, bro. Like I'm getting a deeper understanding and shit, you know? It's super helpful. Super helpful. Yeah, this 1 hour candle is fucking disgusting, bro. It's still got a little bit of time to close. Hopefully we get a couple of 15-minute candles that'll bring it back down or something, bro. But if it doesn't, oh, the next 1 hour candle is gonna wreck us. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna cut back on some tunes right quick.
Eczema
Eczema.
isn't always obvious.
Eczema.
Yeah, if it closed below and it respected it, bro. But even then, the next if it just closes like right here, bro, the next 1 hour candle can open and just wick us out, take us out, fuck us. I would want it to fucking respect it and just like close a little bit more down here or something, bro. I don't like where it's at. It's not pretty, it's not. It's just not pretty one bit. 151 run under.
Run, Ricky, run, nigga, run, jump, come here they come, run, gun with the drum, bum, biddy, bum, slump in the trunk, my city go dum, 151.
I love JID.
Young nigga, num, and he got a little gun, a little bitty killer,
You know,
really doing it for
151.
fun. Give him a
Nice
little
name.
bitty, he'll get a nigga done. Son of a guy, son of a bitch, son of a woman, a man, son of a son, and it's sunk in the bitch. I'm in the plan, please come with the script, cover my back, cover man, please come with the blitz. Look at this stash shit like a magician, fuck that, this some real ass shit. I pay blood for this, taking cheese from the government,
Appreciate
cereal
you,
box
shorty.
with the bugs in it. Hand me down, did my brother shit. Don't compare me to no other niggas in the city. Boy, they say they fucking with you. Heebie-jeebie, that's a bit disgusting, but I get it. I'm full of tension, full of spirit, but full of shit. Standing next to the tight when that bullet hit him. Shit, I miss him. I wish that bullet missed him, but it didn't. And since I've been living with it like a sickness, infinite rhymes, give me the baton. Ticking time bomb, taking the finish line. Look alive, look in my eyes, look at you niggas trying to. You dumb, better run, cause we find them. East side where you're from niggas wildin'. So be silent before my niggas creep silent. With street knowledge, complete nonsense. Delete comments online, all lives receive violence. Every day in my eyes, they killing my niggas. Nigga die, pull up with the fire, get them nigga time for a knife. We gotta ride, fucking nigga ride for the ride of your life. Diabolical minds, I don't mind it, I like it, I love it. I fuck with you, a thug, I'm a thug with you. We can know, we can bug if a nigga fuck with you. I got love for you, out the mud
It's a
with you.
cute little
Run,
corgi.
nigga, run, jump, come here they come, run, gun with the drum, bum, biddy, bum, slump in the trunk, my city go dum, 151 rum in a blunt, young nigga, num, and he got a little gun, a little bitty killer, really doing it for fun. Give him a little bit and he'll get a nigga.
I know, but I don't. Just need it a little bit for the wax for now. But I would love to get one soon. I would love to get one soon. Bro, GU is being a whore. They will be. Don't worry.
The fuck up.
Okay. I want your pity. I could clean them up here in a moment.
I'm gonna start some.
Okay, yeah, that's good. We're about to get wrecked. I just feel it right now, bro. No, not yet. Not yet, but I don't know. I just have this feeling. Shit, if it melts, then I'm coming. I hope it melts too. Shit, I'm fucking. No. Is that another win? Let's go. No, no win yet, bro. We're in some negative on this one. We're in a little bit of profit on gold. We need this shit to melt, bro. Oh shit, here she comes, bro. Woo. Come on, baby. Just melt off, bro. Fucking respect the shit out of this area, homie. Select the 10 eyeball down below. I don't know. I don't know. Bro. So pure. Doesn't make you think of some shit elsewhere. I spent the nights hitchhiking. Where would I go? I could find home with my eyes closed. I like the fact that you live stream your trading on your prop account. That's inspiring. Fuck yeah, bro. I'm glad that inspires you, homie. That's exciting, bro. That makes me happy to hear, bro. Straight up. Gotta turn up, bro. It's our time, dog. God, I can't write. It's okay, man. That's so funny. All right, what we don't want is we don't want this to be respected. We would love for price to just close below this big ass bullish, you know, fucking for value gap right here. We would love for that, bro. That's looking fabulous, dude. Oh. Oh, yes. Woo! That stop loss placement though, bro. Woo! Gosh. Damn. I was like, I got a feeling we're gonna get wrecked. Immediately said, all right, daddy, guess what? Fucking flipped for us. Fuck to the yes. Like butter, bro. We do not want to see that shit get respected. We want that shit to get melted through. Didn't know. Didn't know. Yeah. Different. Am I right in saying you were in drawdown for like... No, bro. I failed that account, unfortunately. Nope, I just got another one. I was down hella. I just fucking said, fuck it, bro. I needed, it was 3% till it got blown. And I went all out. I was like, fuck it, bro. Let's risk this 3% today. Hope that we come back. If we don't, it's blown. We didn't come back, so I just got another one, bro. So, this is our new challenge on sub. Yeah, this shit's gonna melt, watch. I would love for the 15-minute candle itself to close below this 5-minute market structure shift point. You also got this one right here. 1 minute technically market structure shifted bearish with that 5-minute candle close. I would anticipate straight up, right? This is an aggressive trade right here. Okay. I'd anticipate price to sell off from here. This could be a scaling opportunity. But only if it wants to retrace up, you know what I mean? Now this is riskier than dick and balls, bro, but I believe this bitch is really selling off now. Now, how can dick and balls be risky? I don't know. Do you really want to love me forever? Is it just a hit and run? Such a good thing. And a good thing. 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. Know what's on your brain. You probably hope it never would end. I go low, I go. Won't you drop the thing down to the floor? I wanna see it work out. Yeah. I hold trades for like a 1 to 1.5 to a 1 to 2R. I don't like to hold trades long, bro. I'm a scalper, intraday trader, so I never hold longer than a day. I have before on stream, but we've determined that we do not like that shit. That's not us, bro. All right, so that setup is gone, bro. Let's go, man. Woo. That negative drawdown was scarier than fuck, bro. Now we're back. We back, baby. We back. Just hope it's right. I'm only here for the night. Funny how it got to yeah, it doesn't look good to yeah, baby, melt that. That's trading for you, bro. Oh my gosh, trading is fucking funny, dude. Trading is fucking hilarious, bro. Hella emotions that you go through, dog. Like you got one more right here, melt through that bitch too, dog. Melt through that hoe too, bruh. First on the scene. Damn girl, you mean. But it's your world. I'm a Martin shit. You go, girl. She bad and she know it. Come on, Gold. Let's bust already, bro. Just like I'm suicidal. Damn, don't make them like you no more. Them boys roll. Them boys roll. Trying to see what's on yours tonight. Tonight. Up late, so you'll probably skip class. Look at that candle, CED. What's up, man? Don't know if I'ma see you again. We're like, come on. Dead ass, bro. We're like, come on now, dude. Look at that 1 hour candle, bro. Oh my gosh, that 1 hour candle looks nasty now, bro. Woo! That shit was looking fucking uglier. Oh my gosh, bro. That's a beautiful candle now, dude. Damn. That's nice, bro. That's fucking sexy. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but that's sexy, bro. Oh. It's too bad we didn't DCA in or anything, bro. It's all good, though. I don't even mind. I ain't gonna lie. Yup. It just shows the bearishness, bro. Definitely. We're looking solid, bro. Solid like a rock. I am smoking on that gas. Life should be on Cinemax. But my boo bigger tits and a bigger ass. Not eyes. Louis V in my park right. On the block with a black guy. I'll take your girl and kidnap her. Beat her to my mattress. This probably when he did his rappers. This probably when he... Don't try me, I'll pull that trigger. And urine in my swisher. Head game so vicious. If I take you out of the picture, I'm real. Missing no lie, no lie, no lie. Real, say word, he ain't never told no lie. He ain't never told no lie. He ain't never told no lie. True. 2 Chainz and champagne, you want true? Well, that's true enough. Yeah, my office is my tool bus. She got fucked, she knew what's up. And I'm like, damn, that makes 2 of us. Chances are this wasn't it. She never Grammy, I still treat that ass like an nominee. So one time it's fine with me, young as an intern. That money like I built shit. Don't ask them, just killed shit. No lie, no lie, no lie. And I'll rap his ass, I'll trap his ass. Put his ass in the plastic bag with his trash ass. Take him out, bring him in them whole things. Tupac without a nose ring. Thug life, 1 wife, 1 mistress, and a girlfriend. You would say I couldn't. Belt buckles. Left hand on that steering wheel, right hand on that pussy. Word. True. I used to play that all the time in middle school. Bro, straight the fuck up. I know. I feel like we all bumped that shit back in the day, bro. That was the shit, bro. That good though. Right in the brain. I'm not the biggest fan of that Mexican OT, bro. Oh, that 15-minute candle didn't disrespect it that much, bro. It's okay.
Explore the Game of Thrones universe on a larger.
Just based on the way that it closed, though, I anticipate more sales. I would fucking gold close, though. Gold being a hoe. Yeah. Wow. Oh, how much money you got? 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 So this 15-minute candle closing, right? You can anticipate like a 15-minute open high-low close. How many attention she didn't give you? Fuck around with these bats. I'ma ride with the stick. I'd rather be broke in jail than be dead and rich. If I turn to a snitch, ain't no way I'ma swish. Just to make a couple bucks. My heart's so cold I could put it in my cup. Gang burst the world, me my dogs, it was us. Then you went and wrote a statement and that really fucked me up. So if Price wants to come up into this area right here, I'm gonna look for a scaling opportunity, somewhat of a DCA, and it will offer me a 1 to 3R plus my 1 to 1.5R. It'll come out to like a 4.5% gain if it wants to give me that. It's gonna be a 13 pip. $34765 is our entry. AUDJPY, I think it's pretty solid. I think it's good. Like in the Asian session, whenever it crosses into London, to be honest. Other niggas make memes. I'm on a money routine. Comparisons with some marathon. Look, people want to move. Looking from my show up on everyone. People remember the ride, picture him inside the cell, caught, blind on how he went to the top. How much money you got? A lot. 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 In terms of crime. For you, that's the end of the trading day. What makes it the end of the trading day for you, Maine?
answer she done gave you. Fuck around with these thighs.
For me, that's when 11 a.m. comes, when I had a win or loss. In my case, I had a win. All right, big dog. I see you, big homie. You trade both London and New York. That's valid, bruh. That's valid. Bend it, bend it, bend it. Fuck! I'll see you around with the win, hopefully, mate. Hopefully, bro. Fuck. Hopefully, man. I'll see you around, though, brother. We'll see you tomorrow or something, man. Congratulations on your dub. Well, they like. No mind, make you a celebrity overnight. Goldilocks, what you doing, bitch? Yes, good luck and good trading. Good luck, good trading, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. If we lose gold, bro, I am never touching gold again in my life. Once U.S. brokers stopped allowing citizens to trade gold, I stopped. That's tough, bro. I didn't even know that shit. Yeah, gold was lit. Whenever I started trading gold was fire, bro. Gold is more of like a nostalgic fucking commodity for me. Why do we play some of these hoes with like?
It's a major move right here, baby. You gotta get with it or get lost. You understand? Yeah. This young Lord reporting live from Atlanta, Georgia. Decatur, where it's great. And I want all my sexy ladies to report to the dance floor immediately. We gon' golden glide this one, y'all. Speak Greece. Yeah. Right off the back, man, the boy got dollars, so women come frequent like flight mileage. It ain't no secret. I might holler, but I ain't gon' sweat you, baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you.
Catch up with your gang, run faster. Don't let 'em lose you, 'cause I ain't gon' bless you. Unless you feel a little desperate. Send a text message, girl.
It's time. Wait a minute. I admit it. Bro, if gold respects this FBG and this bearish order block right here, if it respects it and continues selling off, we're fucked.
Turn him, yeah. You know I love you like good food. You know you with a good dude. You know you give good like you graduated from a good school. You know I'm a good move, you should do me. So hey, shorty, what it is? The Carter who it is. And shorty do it big. The party at my crib, that's a party in the hills. You call it what you want, but she gon' call it what she feel. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. So let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you just my type. Everything's so right. So I just wanna chill. So let's dip up out of here. Dip up out of here. She's fun too, but I want you. She's fun too, but I want you. I ain't up to down bottom, you know what I mean? Me and Lil Lloyd, baby. Long hair, don't care. So what up, Ryan? I see you, baby. Yeah. It's a major move right here, baby. I ain't talking fast, it's just you listening slow, you know what I mean? You ain't trying to hit me, then don't hurt me. Get the fuck up out of here. I ain't being mean, but you so mean, G. You know what I mean? So what you want me to do?
When you think of me, you should think of fire. Risen from the ashes, again and again, and again and again, and again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrating. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is the tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G. Oh yes, I'm ready.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrating. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
I'll keep it simple, baby.
I'ma keep it simple with you, loca. You know I don't never play no games. You know I don't never complicate it. Yeah. Come fit some type of way. Concentrating all the way. Oh my gosh, I'm glad you came. You know, I just had to keep me up. You know it. Better believe, yeah. I'm ready. Why you make it so complicated? Go and get that hound. That bad little hound. He's just locked up. Hey, you brat. You ready to come back out? Don't get into stuff. Stinky. Go cuddle with your mom. Your true colors from me, nah. I'm on the miniature. I'm getting you live feeling that.
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drink, we concentrating. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements.
Me and you, me and you, me and you. You and me, you and me, you and me. All right, Goldilocks, come on now.
Game of Thrones King's Road is now available on both PC and mobile with Google Play.
Honorable court. Honorable court.
Hey, who is that? Who is that right there? Hey, what's up, little mom? She a good girl, but she bad,
So I'm confused. I'm gonna shoot my shot out on the moves. I said, "What's up? My name is D." She said, "Hey, you let me a name, dog. Then let's go pull up. You gonna get lost. But you were scared. Then you got mad, but it's good like me. Started off having fun though. You asked me where I keep my guns though. Oh, I don't want to talk about that. Why that ass so fat and why you walk like that? All of my niggas, they savages. Last weekend, bitch, I made your boyfriend's salary. She kept it so real, I fuck with her forever, fuck with her forever, fuck with her forever. Come on, Gold, don't respect that shit, bro. Break through it. Real can't say no. Bitch, real thick like Play-Doh. Yeah, I got killers on payroll. That means that she don't like the way that I'm living. And said she don't like the way I'm sipping. Shit, 10 years ago, you little mama, you tripping.
Wait a minute, hold up, it's me. Hold up, wait a minute, roll up the weed. Hold up, wait a minute, roll up my sleeves. Got a pocket full of blue cheese. Hey, kicking shit in the trap like Bruce Lee. When I walk in, they be like, who's he? When I walk out, they be like, what the fuck? What the fuck is that little nigga driving? All of my niggas, they ride. All of these bitches be lying. Little fly nigga plus my bitch fly, so together we flying. She kept it so real, I fuck with her forever. She kept it so real, I fuck with her forever. She kept it so real, I fuck with her forever. Fuck with her forever, fuck with her forever. She kept it so real that I love her forever. She kept it so real, I fuck with her forever. She kept it so real that I love her forever. Fuck with her forever, fuck with her forever.
Little mama in the Bentley van. The pussy nigga ain't pulled up beside me. She pulled it out of Pearl Road, the window down, told the pussy nigga bust a move, ain't shit to try. Stay down for a nigga on the contract. With the jail with a nigga on the door. I told the girl how much I love you, I die for you. One thing twice, told me boy go forward. Everyone told her ballin' on these hoes ain't shit to do. $2 million on the crib.
If this shit market structure shifts bearish off the 1 minute with a 5 minute candle close to confirm it, bro, I might just close my position and protect my capital, bro. I know I don't usually do that, but I don't like the way that's looking, bro. We'll see, dog. We'll see. I gave you a heart attack. I'm a dog for that. Kept it so real that I love her forever. I fuck with her forever. She kept it so real that I love her forever. She kept it so real I fuck with her forever.
Book on dollar.com to get our lowest rates. Why are you in my house?
Bro, somebody tell Gold chill out. Someone tell Gold chill out. Somebody tell Gold to start busting, bro. Look, well, I don't even understand how to put my thug toes. Pick him up in the space coupe, I don't let my thug walk. Me three had to cut my little bitch off. Fucking Gold, bro. It's the plug trying to call me. Ooh, wait a minute, do rag. Oh, I don't run into you, Rex. I don't run into you, bro. I don't plug some love. I done came up from a thug. Plug walk. Plug walk. Where are we targeting for GU? Targeting a cool little 1.5 bar. Whoa. Say shit. Say shit. Get down and Rex up. She gonna let me fuck ass up. Plug. Fuck, I'm a G, ain't no stopping me. And my wrist is on over for you. Bitch, you can't talk to me. Fuck, whoa. In space coupe, I don't let my plug walk. Real free, had to cut my other little bitch off. Hey, that'd be lit, bro. Making a music video to this shit, I'd fucking turn up. That shit would hit, bro. That's a vibe. Good times. Nah, that sounds like good times for real. That's tight. Oh my gosh, Gold. I'm fucking hating Gold right now. We're definitely on the opposite side of a sell side. I'm gonna close this shit. I don't want to take that loss anymore. I closed my Gold trade. I took that loss. I lost a lot on Gold today, and I'm never trading Gold again. Fuck that pair. I'm never trading Gold again in my lifetime. You guys hear it, first and foremost. Never again. I lose too much on Gold, bro. I don't know what's up with Gold. Like, I can never get in the right direction of Gold, it seems like, but whatever. I don't give a fuck no more. Fuck Gold. I'm a GU trader all day. I gotta prevent that loss, bro. Conserve and protect the capital. Yeah, no kidding. It seems like it's getting ready for that FOMC. It won't be for fame. It won't because my owners are the same. You're the greatest right now. So my plan with GU, because yes, we have FOMC here momentarily in actually a couple hours, couple and a half hours, 2.5 hours to be exact. My plan with GU, right? So I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna remain holding on to it. Once news releases, that should be crazy. If we're like down here or something, we're like near TP, I'll see about closing before news or holding through it. I kind of want to hold through FOMC and like see if it just like fucking spikes down. Cause it's selling, bro. It's fucking selling off. I don't know, bro, but I wouldn't want it to spike up either. We'll probably end up closing our trade before. I want something in my cup. G, you need to hurry up. I know, bro. I'm not trying to take that risk either. It definitely need a bust before then, no cap. Down 1.5% for the day. Pistol in your hand, don't make it real. You just like what it gonna keep going. This was born, but at least we got to say we ran up the niches, we ran up the money, we ran up the niches, we ran up the money. They keep going. We don't like when it gonna be gone. When not risk like when it gonna be gone. Learning how to farm, but at least we got to say we run up the digit, we run up the money, we run up the digit, we run up the money, we run up the digit, we run up the money. Run up them digits, we run up the money, we run up them digits, we run up the money, we run up them digits, we run up the money.
come sit with me. If you like to change the weather, if you want to live better, we can buy a crib wherever. Don't get too thirsty.
Get used to this chatter. I wanna tell the world about you, this so they can get jealous. I heard she ain't got promises and never play no. I heard she ain't gonna never play no. I'm looking for. I can't wait to dial it. Gonna be wildin'. Turn on the lights. I love Vergas. She ain't cheating, she gon' never say no. Turn on the lights. I'm looking for. But she a good girl. Go to sleep, they seen it in my dreams. Stay clean.
Motherfucking rich the other day, man. I pull up on my partner Bino. Know what I'm saying? Real boss nigga. He like Future. You deserve that shit, nigga. You deserve it. 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 I done paid so many dues. I never lose my cool. Just the other day, my little cousin called me from school and said, you deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it, Future. You deserve it. Hey,
Your favorite movies are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
You have something. You rage.
Don't be afraid. It's the wizard who should be afraid of me.
We survive together.
Get MGM Plus, Paramount Plus, Stars, and more. Find your favorite movies and TV on YouTube.
You will turn on your radio any Negro revival meeting on a Sunday night. You will hear glossolalia. Say when the preacher starts talking sensibly, but the congregation gets more and more enthusiastic. Amen. Yes, Lord. And it works out the preacher so that by the time he is through, have turned into not only poetry, but beyond poetry into music.
This shit needs to melt already, guys. This shit needs to melt already. I do talk a lot of shit.
Got the motherfucking bass thumping. Dolph got the motherfucking trap jumping. Doors to the trap open. Now I sell you something. Hell no, don't ask. I ain't frontin' nothing. I fucked your bitch and told her I see you around. Dog just skipped town with 200,000. Dog just poured a 8 in a 2-liter pop. They say Dolph addicted to these streets just like his pops. Addicted to hustling. I can't stop. Won't stop. Can't stop. Never hear me complain about what I ain't got. Cause if I want it, I'ma go get it. Yeah. Free my nigga, yo, did it. Got paper round tatted on your whole titty. Same nigga you getting high with, he really your enemy. Every day niggas cross their partners out for Benjamin. Keep it real with your dog no matter what. Same bitch decline, she love you, she'll set you up. Out here in these streets, it ain't no such thing as love. The only thing I trust is this pistol and these slugs. Real nigga shit, only when I do speak. If that nigga don't work, he'll fucking leech. I ain't got shit for a nigga, ain't nothing in this motherfucking world free.
My feelings ain't strong as my mind. Cut back on that lane, got high as fuck off half a line. Came from different planets, then one day we intertwined. We relate on different levels, we got compatible signs. Match up, this little pussy freaky, trying to keep this one a secret. How the fuck I switch addictions, feeling like I need it. Ain't gon' lie, that pussy better when her and her nigga beefing. Told her make a wish, 11-11, what she tweeted. Let me be your genie, sneaky linking, we don't tell it. Kiss and touch and breathing heavy. Foreplay session got you ready. Beat it but on support domestic. Ever heard a soul tie? My life a highly rated series. This little episode live. That little pussy got some power. I can't lie, it got me weak. Fresh up out the shower, she look good enough to eat. That little pussy got some tricks. Grip my dick when it squeeze. Ooh, them quickies be the best. Got my Amiris to my knees. Say she ain't gon' fuck on nobody if it ain't me. At least that's what she tell me. You know how these hoes be. For the moment, that little pussy fine. Don't give a fuck if she lying. So that little pussy call, she get some from me every time. She like, don't get out this bed without fucking me. Better not play. Said I was on punishment from head and she sucking me. Yeah, okay. This might not mean that much to you, but it's something to me. Tossy love. Won't text her back for hours. Keep her mind wondering. Miss my presence, my company. Go. That pussy talk to me, I sing to her. She want my heart, but I'm just too player to get to her. Can't even lie, the way she ride left a stain on my brain. Road rage has been driving me insane. That little pussy got some power. I can't lie, it got me weak. Fresh up out the shower, she look good enough to eat. That little pussy got some tricks. Grip my dick when it squeeze. Ooh, them quickies be the best. Got my Amiris to my knees. Said she ain't gon' fuck on nobody if it ain't me. At least that's what she tell me. You know how these hoes be. For the moment, that little pussy fine. Don't give a
Damn, this shit's going into lunchtime, bro. It's all slow now because it's lunch, bro. How's this 4-hour counter looking, dog? Not the greatest. I'm not gonna cap, y'all. I think I'm gonna close this shit right now. Just dying out the momentum, and then whenever the new 4-hour candle opens, it's probably gonna fucking accumulate and consolidate again for the first hour, because in the next hour, FOMC is gonna manipulate all of that shit. Who knows which direction it's gonna fly? It might even fly bullish, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna just close this shit out right now. I'm not gonna cap. It's gonna be 5% gain, whatever. So we still lost 1% for the day. We're still up 1.7%. Pretty solid still. But I'm going to call this shit a trading day, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I thank you guys for kicking it with me today. Silent, CED, Grizz, Ansab, the homie Bronzy. We got Rashad. Shout out all the homies, Lenny, HCFX. Thank you guys for coming and kicking it with me today. I hope you guys have a good day. And stay safe of FOMC, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.